These days I'm replacing more and more of my appliances with battery operated ones. Well, no, not really battery operated ones, I mean rechargeable battery devices. It just helps cancel out temporary electricity problems. My recent purchase is this fan that not only has a rechargeable battery, but it also can work off of a power bank if it needs a little bit more power for a little bit longer. This is the portable folding hydrating 185 degree fan, and it also blows fog into the air to humidify the air. Not quite as much as that though in the picture. And the battery inside is 7200 milliamp hour, which is not quite that much, but yeah, as I said, you can keep it going with like a 20 or 40,000 power bank. You can read that if you want. It's on the screen now. So you take it out, pretty compact. I think what we'll do first is to put some water in there. Open this plug, pour some water in, close it up again tightly. And now what we're gonna do is, first we fold it open, like so. And then we fold it that way around. And now we just need to tighten it so it doesn't close again. Easy to tighten. And after that, you can slowly just pull it out like a telescope. To make it nice and high if you so desire, adjust the angle. We can open this for the light, turn on the light. It has two settings, there's one and there's two. You can let it shine down. And now here at the bottom, of course, is where the buttons are. This one is for the light, yeah, turn the light on and off there. This one, yes, they are marked, but it's not very clear to see, but it is the fan. There. Fan started turning. You can adjust the speed of the fan. And this is the fogger. When you press that, fog is gonna come out of this hole and the wind should spread it. Yeah, it has 4 fan settings. The fourth one, they say, is natural light. It sort of like goes fast and slow in a cycle. They say it's natural wind, although yeah, I think the sound is gonna drive you crazy off this. So I just like it at its fastest speed, which is number 3. Now there's your night light. Also 2 settings. Let's see, the fogger. I can't really see fog. I wonder if maybe I overfilled it. You see, it looks like it's full of water there. Maybe I should pour out a little bit of water here. You see, there was some water in there. I just wanted to pour some more for this demonstration, but perhaps it's a bit too much now. Let's pour a little bit out. Oh, now I made a mess. But it looks like there's still enough in there, even though I made a mess now everywhere. Alright, let's see what we can do. Still seems to be full of water there. Let's see if I blow that out. See there. Let me see if I turn off the fan. It sort of like comes and goes. Can we still see the fog? Yeah, there, you see it? Sort of sprayed the fog there for a moment. There we are. That is of course how it humidifies the room. This actually does make it a little bit cooler. It's surprising what this little bit of humid fog will do. Here in the back are some supports you can fold out. Although I'm not sure this fan needs it. It stands quite well without them. But they are there for extra support. Here is where you charge it, and here you can charge other devices. It's an output. Quite a nice device, I'll say. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and let's talk about more stuff. Peace!